just come out to room. So it's not too much expensive. 1,000 for one night. It's near to the night market, so I will show you my room, although it's very small room, one bed and air conditioner. First of all, I need to put my bag. I'm so tight. So it's for a small room. Air conditioner, fan. I have a one TV and also have some tea bags, green tea, oolong tea, and this one is it's already going to the dustbin. It's a love coffee, 3-in-1. It's a coffee. So 2 bottles, 2 cups. I can make tea, water, and one small fridge. And I will show you a washroom. Washroom is also very small. A wash basin, some toothpaste, towel. It's okay that I have big showers. That's it. Shower gel and shampoo. There is a tissue paper. Okay. Room is okay for one person. I think it's enough. The whole video I need to wear this mask because it's important in here. If you not wear the mask, it will be 15,000. And here is 2 disposable sneakers, phone, air, and it's small light. So guys, let's today is almost much tight, so I need to take a little bit rest, and then I will go to the night market because it's just near, almost 1 minute from here, Shi-lin night market. So after a little bit rest, so I planning to go to the night market. Okay guys, see you there. I hope you will like my visiting room. I need to charge my battery of my Osmo Action, my camera, my mobile. Almost at the whole day I using my mobile and camera, so battery is almost finished. So see you in the night market guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like and share. Bye bye.